What's up guys, it's JNinja back with another video, and today I have with me the DJI Osmo Mobile 3 Combo Kit. Let's see if it's any good. If you're a fan of gimbals or have followed DJI in the previous generations of the Osmo gimbals, you would know that the price has dropped significantly from the first generation. Where the OG Osmo cost $299, the Osmo 2 costs less than half at $129. And though the base price of the Osmo Mobile 3 alone costs $99 at stores like Walmart and Target, we have here the Osmo 3 combo package, where you also receive a mini tripod, a soft carrying bag, and a hard robust carrying case. So if you do not know who DJI is or even what gimbals do, let me explain. So you just got your beautiful brand new iPhone 11 or Samsung S10 and it shoots beautiful 4K. When you take out your phone to record a video, it'll be relatively smooth even with movement because there's something called optical image stabilization or OIS. But suddenly this is not enough and the footage gets jittery from too much movement, and out of nowhere your beautiful 4K camera is useless with a ton of shake in it. This is where the Osmo Mobile Gimbal comes in. A gimbal has 3 axes that work in conjunction to keep your footage as smooth as possible. This allows you to capture buttery smooth shots where the only thing limiting you is your camera quality. Jumping into the unboxing, in true DJI fashion, the Osmo unboxing experience is easy and very well packaged with everything you need to get started. Opening the box up, you first get the carrying case, the mini tripod, the soft carrying bag, a wrist strap, and for the first time, a USB Type-C charging cable. I just want to explain that this is actually a super big deal. Most phones and accessories these days are more than likely going to be charged with a USB Type-C cable. What does that mean? Well, that means more data transfer, faster charging, and for the best part, less cables for you to carry. As for the mini tripod and soft carrying bag, those are additions that were not provided in the Osmo Mobile 2. The new carrying case is much more robust and actually much smaller because of the Osmo 3's new form factor. In the Osmo 2, the box was 334mm by 158mm by 79mm to house the Osmo 2's bigger body. This was not, mind you, that big, but when DJI designed the Osmo 3, they wanted to go even smaller. The new Osmo 3 box is 195mm by 135mm by 55mm and allows for the tiny body of the Osmo Mobile 3 to fit when folded. Believe it or not, this thing is as tall as the Osmo 2 when fully extended, and when folded in becomes only a mere 157mm by 130mm by 46mm in size. That means you can just throw it in a backpack or in a purse and use it on the go. Along with the Osmo, you can also carry around the extremely small tripod that actually helps set the Osmo in places where it normally couldn't, and is extremely small as well. Good job DJI on portability. Apart from the physical aspects, there's some digital aspects that were included as well. Some that were present in the Osmo 2 and some are brand new. These include face tracking, motion time lapses, sport mode for quick movements, different grips, a new portrait mode, panoramas, and gesture controls. Oh yeah, now you don't need to balance your phone on the Osmo 3 like you had to on the Osmo 2 either. Thank goodness, because now you can just put on whatever phone you have with varying weights, and the Osmo 3 will automatically compensate to balance your phone. For the time it lasts, I can't vouch for the battery life because my testing sessions haven't gone as long as killing it, but I can definitely say that while it may or may not reach the 15-hour advertised mark, it certainly lasts a really long time. If anything, your phone is more likely to die before the Osmo 3, but while recording, you can also charge your phone from the USB port on the side to keep your phone running on as much juice as your gimbal. Here's a quick demonstration of how well this gimbal actually performs versus handheld and the Osmo Mobile 2. There is one final thing that I'd like to point out. If you're thinking about upgrading from the Osmo 2 or the original Osmo, the benefits are not so significant as to upgrade. But if you're in the market looking to get a gimbal, the bang for buck on the Osmo Mobile 3 combo and the Osmo Mobile 3 alone are great, so definitely purchase one. Before I end this video, I just want to say that 96.2% of you guys watching this video are not subscribed. I know that I don't have very many subscribers, but it would help out a ton if even just a third of you guys subbed. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the review, and if you did, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.